If you are looking for a new frosting to try, this sensational 7-minute frosting KitchenAid is a great option. It is full of flavor and has a lovely light and fluffy texture. Whether for cakes, cookies, or brownies, it makes a great addition. This frosting is relatively simple to make, so you don't need any prior baking experience. It is a versatile frosting with a beautiful, glossy appearance. You can't go wrong with this classic 7-minute frosting. What is 7-minute frosting? Light and fluffy, 7-minute frosting is traditionally made from egg whites, sugar, corn syrup, cream of tartar, and vanilla. It got its name as it cooked above boiling water for about 7 minutes as a mixer is used to beat the ingredients. Though traditionally 7-minute frosting is cooked, not all recipes will call for it to be cooked. The frosting has a marshmallow-like consistency and is sweet yet not overpowering. It goes great with a variety of different cakes like vanilla, chocolate, marble, carrot, red velvet, and spiced cakes. In addition, it also pairs well with brownies and cookies. Also known as boiled frosting, 7-minute frosting is similar to Swiss meringue. The egg whites give it a thicker texture, while it still has a lighter consistency. Though it may not be as popular as buttercream, the 7-minute frosting has been a favorite among many for a long time. It has been around since the early 1900s as many people use it on their favorite cake and cupcake recipes. What you will need. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon salt, 2 egg whites, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 cup light corn syrup, 1 1/4 teaspoons vanilla extract. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. In a small bowl, separate the egg whites and egg yolks. Save the egg yolks for another use. Step 2. Using your electric mixer, beat the salt and egg whites. Beat until the egg whites become frothy. Step 3. Gradually add in the sugar, beating about 1 tablespoon in at a time. Beat until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Step 4. Add the corn syrup into the frosting, just a little bit at a time. Beat the mixture until firm peaks form. Step 5. Carefully using a rubber spatula, fold in the vanilla. Use frosting immediately or place it in the fridge. Tips and tricks. Store your 7-minute frosting in the fridge in an airtight container. It can last for up to 2 to 3 days when properly stored. It can sit at room temperature for up to a day, but any time longer than that it should be kept in the fridge. Due to its light consistency, it is not recommended to freeze 7-minute frosting. Since it is a no-cook egg frosting, it will not keep its texture well if it has been frozen. If desired, you can make the no-cook 7-minute frosting chocolate. Simply add 3 teaspoons of cooled, melted chocolate to the frosting. Carefully use a rubber spatula to incorporate the chocolate into the frosting. Be sure to keep your 7-minute frosting in a cool area out of the heat and direct sunlight. It does not hold up well in hot temperatures and can melt. Store your frosted cake in a cool, dry area. This frosting is a bit hard to spread, but it is great for piping. It looks especially beautiful when piped onto cupcakes, creating an elegant look. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.